Hello students, welcome to the third day of 100 Days Mathematics Conceptual Learning Challenge. Today we will deal with the concept of equilateral triangle. So, what do you mean by an equilateral triangle? An equilateral triangle means a triangle whose all its sides are equal. You can see the length of the sides of this triangle is a unit, and the second point, that all its angles are also equal. That means all its angle is equal to 60 degrees each. Okay, so two things, all sides are equal and all angles are equal. Okay, next. So, how will you find out the area of an equilateral triangle? Okay, so area of an equilateral triangle can be found by using this formula. Root 3 by 4 a square. Area equal to root 3 by 4 a square. What is a here? A is the length of the sides. A is your length of the sides of the triangle. Length of side. Okay. Now, whenever if you are asked to find the perimeter of the triangle will be 3 times the length of the area. Sorry, length of the side. That means sum of the length of its boundary. Okay. Next. So we have to find the area of given equilateral triangle. We can see here the length of the sides of the triangle is given as 8 centimeter. So the area will be root 3 by 4 a square. That is root 3 by 4 into a square. That is 64. Okay. If you are getting confused, let me write it. It is 8 square. The length of the side of this triangle is 8 centimeter. So it is root 3 by 4 into 64. Now you will get it 4. It will be cancelled by 16 times. So our answer is 16 root 3 centimeter square centimeter. Okay. Next. Find the area of an equilateral triangle whose side is 10 centimeter. That means we have a triangle whose each side is 10 centimeter. Okay. So our A is 10 centimeter. So area will be equal to root 3 by 4 into a square. That is root 3 by 4 into 10 centimeter whole square. You will get it root 3 by 4 into 100 centimeter square. So it will get cancelled out by 25 times. So our answer is 25 root 3 centimeter square. Next question. So, how can we find the height of the equilateral triangle? In the last lecture, I had told you about difference between the lateral height and the slant height. Okay. So, you can see the actual height of this triangle is from here to here, and it will make 90 degree here. Okay. Always remember that the altitude makes 90 degree angle with the base. Okay. And the length of the height is given as h. Okay. See, since it is at the midpoint, we have drawn it by the construction. So it will be half of See, from here to here, it was A. Okay. So since D is the midpoint, we can say it is half of the A. That is A by 2. Okay. So if you apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, okay, what you will be get? That means AB square will be equal to AD square plus BD square. What is AB? Our AB is A. So A square equal to AD. What is our AD? AD is our H square. Okay. And what is our BD? BD is A by 2. So A by 2 whole square. If we solve it out, A square equal to H square plus A square by 4. Okay. So A square minus A square by 4 equal to H square. So take the LCM. It is 4. 4A square minus A square equal to H square. Okay. So finally we have got H square equal to 3A square divided by 4. Therefore, H will be equal to square root of 3A square by 4. So the final answer will be root 3A by 2. Okay. So in this way we can find the value as height of the triangle, an equilateral triangle, as root 3A by 2. So we can remember this derivation directly. Whenever you have been asked to find the height of the equilateral triangle, you can easily find by this formula, that is root 3A by 2. Okay. There is another way by which we can solve this question. Okay, see, we know one formula. Whenever we know the height and perpendicular, of any triangle, we can use the formula half into base into height. Okay. We also know the area of an equilateral triangle. Area of an equilateral triangle as root 3 by 4 A square. Okay. So our base is A. This is our complete base. The triangle is standing on this base, and the height we will taking as from A to D as H. Okay. Now, so if you find the area by any of this method, whether this or this, we will get the same value, we will get the same result. Okay. So if I equate these two equations, that is 1 by 2 into base into height equal to, using this formula, that is root 3 by 4 A square. So half into, what is base? Our base is A. And what is height? Our height is H. So H equal to root 3 by 4. See, A square can be written as A into A. So one of the A will get cancel it out. You can cancel it by 2 2s are 4. So your H is nothing but again root 3 A by 2. So we have got the same result. Okay, that we have got in the last slide. Okay, next question. Find the height of an equilateral triangle. So we know what is the height of an equilateral triangle if we know the side, that is h equal to root 3 by 2 into a. So root 3 by 2. What is a? Our a is here 15. Okay. So 15. We'll take complete a. That is 15. So finally we got the value. That means it will be 7.5 root 3. Okay. Next. Find the height of an equilateral triangle. So our h is again, what is the formula for h? That is root 3 by 2 into a. Okay, remember this is the formula for finding out the height only for an equilateral triangle, not for other. Okay, so this is h equal to root 3 by 2 into a. What is a? A is our 12. Okay, so 2 6 are 12. So our answer is 6 root 3. Okay, centimeter. Okay, so I have a question for you. Find the area of given triangle. So you have to find the area of this triangle. Okay, and while going through this question, you will be coming across to know that this is the case of an equilateral triangle only. Okay, so try it yourself and write the answer in the comment box. If you have any kind of doubts, don't forget to mention in the comment box. So thank you so much. So all the best for your next day challenge. See you tomorrow then. Bye.